Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 13. The question says that we should look out for the option that best complete this sentence. And the sentence here says the defeated boxer left the ring looking extremely dash. The defeated boxer left the ring looking extremely dash. A. Dislocated. Dislocated means displaced or with them. Distorted means deformed or injured with injury. Then deserted means deserved, and dejected means sad or dispirited. So it is not possible for him to leave the stage dislocated, because the sentence did not tell us that he was injured. Then it is not possible for him to leave the stage deformed, that is part of his body, being wounded. And he cannot say it is a deserved. The statement does not go with deserted or deserved, but it is possible for the defeated boxer to leave the ring looking extremely dejected or sad, or his spirit being weak. That is, his spirit being weak. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.